fireside is blazing bright. We're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be very special.
Hey, welcome back. It's been a while. So we got through the holidays, and well, it looks like I got a gift here. I have a puzzle box that I need to try to solve. Well, I guess back to intros. I'm Chris, and Billy's behind the camera there, and we're gonna see if I can solve this thing. Now, she made this from scratch, which is pretty incredible, I think. So without further ado, let's dive in. All right, so I'm gonna dive into this. I've been instructed to open this burnt letter with candle wax holding it closed, and it says open at your own risk. Before I read that, so this is a puzzle box. And what a puzzle box is, basically, it's a lot of different openings and compartments and stuff, and it's a sequential puzzle. You have to solve certain things in a certain order in order to unlock it properly. So Billy built this from scratch, and I didn't know what she was doing for the longest time, and she just was always out doing something, and she, don't look. All right, so then for Christmas, this was the gift that she gave me. So I'm looking forward to solving this and seeing what is in here. I am a fan of Chris Ramsey, and that's kind of where I think she got the idea, because he's always solving crazy puzzles and stuff. So, and I like puzzles. I'm not a brainiac by any means, but anyways, we'll go ahead and get started here. So, hello Chris. I call this box Billy's Amazing Puzzle Box. This box is made from wood from Dollar General and locks and hinges from Amazon. Rules: when moving the box, be careful. I built it by myself. Keep that in mind. You may turn the box, but the box has to be flat on the table. If it doesn't come out easily, then it's not meant to come out. Hidden in this box is tools. Use them to open the box. Remember each step in order so it can help you later on. Have fun. Well, we're gonna have some fun here. So on the top here, I see a bunch of little pieces of wood with letters engraved with little numbers. So obviously a number is going to be associated with a letter. There are multiple locks. Looks like I'm gonna need to figure that out. I was told that this piece of wood warped. I'm guessing that's because I think she said she built this quite a while ago. So probably dried out. Okay. So it looks like I need to open the top and I need to open the sides. I think I found the first thing here, a little magnet. Okay, so I have a magnet here. Oh, okay. Well, this is cool. This is very, very creative.
I'm not gonna lie, that took me 2 days to make that piece.
So looks like is the key. The key is not magnetic. Okay, so I have a key. Now this lock does not have a key on it. This lock does not have a key on it. This lock does. There's some numbers on it, but it looks like those probably came on it. All right. So we have our first door to open. Oh my gosh. It looks, from what I can tell, I think think I need to get these all turned a certain direction to release this piece. And here's a little fun fact. I cut these pieces myself and I didn't even know what I was cutting them for. Billy just said, I need these cut. This is so creative. This is crazy. Okay. All right. Is this supposed to come off? Looks like we have another tool. Looks very old. I'm going to assume I don't need these anymore. I'm going to keep the magnet handy. And I'm going to assume I don't need that. So this is off. Okay. Wow. Oh, this is fantastic. So over here, it looks like it says 14. 1, 4. Okay, so this key looks like it goes in this lock. And it does. All right, that's very cool. That's a very unique lock. Okay, so I'm going to leave that off to the side, and I'm going to open my other side. So now I've got two sides open. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they're all pretty solid except for this one. And it's a screwdriver head. Okay. Okay. Well. Alright, that's all I really see there. I'm assuming I'm not supposed to just dismantle this thing with a screwdriver. So, oh, I forgot that there was a whole nother side to this thing. Holy cow. Okay. Well, I feel silly that I used up an entire... Oh, I could take the hinges right off of that thing.
Good luck. I glued them on.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's so smart. They call that a foolproof. So I figured out that I need to take this off, which is kind of funny because this is totally something Billy would do, is try to use a flathead screwdriver on a Phillips head screw just to mess with me.
I couldn't find the other one.
Because what guy prepares other than MacGruber? Oh wow, okay. Okay, so this is cool. So we've got this. Eyes to the end. Eyes to the end. Oh gosh, this is really something else. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is something else. Oh, so this has magnets on it. And it sits in there, and it falls off. So H and J, and it's up there. It's all on its own. It's magnetic, very brilliant. H and J, H and J, 16 and 37. 16 and 37. That doesn't make sense on this thing. Oh gosh. Eyes to the end. There's no eye. Oh gosh. This is just something else. Nothing there. Hmm. 16. P. I need another hint.
Read the rules again.
Turn the box.
Read them out loud so everyone can hear.
When moving the box, be careful. I built it by myself. Keep that in mind. You may turn the box, but the box has to remain flat on the table. If it doesn't come out easily, then it's not meant to come out. Hidden in this box is tools. Use them to open the box. Remember each step in order so it can help you later on.
So, okay, take a time out. What did you get from that?
Well, I did this first.
Let's take a second to look at the beautiful tree behind him. Look at the tree. Isn't that so pretty? Don't you think my tree is pretty?
Mm-hmm. So far some stuff that I've come across is an A, a Z, a P, an X, and a J. And that is not it. Oh, there is an F. Oh boy. So I came across an F, a Z, a P, an X, and a J. Oh man, so there's an H and a J. So HJ, P, A has to be the first one. Is there a B? No, it has to be an F. And what's the second one? Second one would need to be a Z. Ah! This is brilliant. So, the very first letter that I started with was an F. When I pulled out my magnet, I had an F. Then the next thing I had was a Z. Somehow. I think the Z I got... Oh. Well, 14 is Z, but I don't remember how I got that. The P I got because back here, I lined it up with, it's the square with the dot on the bottom. And I don't know if any of this means anything or not. And then H and J, I's to the end, H and J, the very end, right? So one thing that was very brilliant was in the note, it said that remember all the steps from the beginning, because that's kind of how I had to work my way through. And I'm sure, yeah, there's got to be something else. Well, she'll explain, I'm sure. Can I open this?
Yeah, there's not.
Oh, wow. So this is my prize. Some scratch offs, which is pretty neat.
I didn't know what to put in there.
No, that's smart. So, if you look at this piece of wood, Billy was very concerned because it got warped, and I really don't see an issue with it. It served its purpose brilliantly. So now, I'm going to begin reassembling this while Billy explains what everything means.
Okay, so the first thing you took off was you found the magnet and you took off the F. So F would have been the first letter in it because it says to remember your steps.
Yeah.
So you have to go from step 1 to the last step. And then this thing right here, you can't do. Yeah, you can. But you know, hold on a second. You know this right here?
Yeah.
You know what this is?
No.
Is if you couldn't figure out this, you just had to look and it lines up exactly how to take them out.
Oh, wow.
So just in case you were to get stuck and I didn't know what to put on that side, so it tells you how to line each piece up to remove them.
That is so smart.
The only piece that does not have a letter to it was that one.
Okay.
That was the one I messed up on it, and I was like, well, he'll get it. But every other one, I put these on here like this.
Yep.
If you would have looked on that one thing, that one sheet, or on here.
Yep.
So it has this right here, and this has nothing to do with the box.
Okay.
So it was to throw you off.
And it did.
But if you look at, there was one of them like the U. I believe there is no U up here.
Okay.
And there's no U on that lock, on the front main lock.
Okay.
So it was just
That would've
automatically
thrown me off.
they could not help you at all. So that's why I use them things. And that was pretty much it.
So smart.
What do you think, honestly?
This was a lot of fun.
Really?
And I was actually getting, so I don't know how Chris Ramsey does it. I'm sure, you know, years of being fascinated with it and stuff like that. But I was getting to the point where I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to tap out. There's no way I'm gonna be able to do this. But I'm very happy that we were able to do this. And I honestly wouldn't mind continuing to do this. My mind works in mysterious ways. I really like to do puzzles and stuff, but I also get very turned off when they're overly hard. And I would say this one, I think the hardest thing about this one is it wasn't personal. It had nothing to do with me or anything that I'm used to. This was as simple as, I'm gonna try to stump the heck out of you. Good luck. Okay, well, I'm just gonna keep putting this thing right back together. And you know, I'm gonna have a really fun little reminder of when Billy tried to stump me. And I'll be totally honest, I would really love to continue getting stuff like this. So maybe what we'll do is we'll add that to our channel. Maybe we'll start doing some puzzles and stuff like that. Again, apologize big time. The holidays really threw us off this year with all the COVID stuff going on. It's only our second holiday together. So it's very tough to plan and navigate all that, especially when you are dealing with the current pandemic and stuff. So hope everybody's doing okay out there still. We're getting ready to start a new year here. And we've got a lot more material coming your way. And definitely look forward to seeing what 2021 brings us. So you guys take it easy. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. And any suggestions, go ahead and throw them in the comments. Thank you.